JD Cap here for Just Do the Repairs and Tips, and we're going to have some fun here. You need 2 of these tongue depressors and some fishing line. And I'm going to get right to this. Cut a slit right there, like that. It's going to split, so you're going to just do it, the edge here, like that, each one. Okay. And then you're gonna, I've got this all tied together here, but you want to separate these into 4s. Some of you will probably have an idea what I'm making, and some will say, wow, that's pretty neat. So you want to put it in there like this. Okay, and then we did some tape. So we're back here with the tape and take up on that. Use some duct tape and just wrap it around like this. Okay. So do the other side. Get another string, or it's just fishing line. This is what you want to use. You want to put a dot of super glue right in there, right there, and make sure the line is over. Right there. Set that one down. Do the same with this. Hope you can see this. Okay. Then you're gonna take one and you're gonna put a dot in the middle, a good glob of it. Okay. You take the other and put the 2 together. Okay, I'm using super glue so it'll dry a little bit quicker so we can get the video done. And just hold it together. You want to run a center string through the middle, punch a hole through there with a small ice pick, and run the string through there, and then glue it with some crazy glue. Ooh, so happy Halloween. Ooh. Telling you guys, stringing this up was not an easy task. Okay, so be patient, have somebody hold it for you, and you'll get it. This is your dollar store Halloween from JD. Please rate and subscribe. Ooh.